Whoa! Whoa! What the? Whoa! This is deep! Oh no, I've got to get up that. Whoa! Let's go! Foot. Come on, that's it, that's good, that's good. Whoa! Fair play. Oh, it's so wet, look. Lost my momentum now. Right, hello people and welcome to the channel. I'm on my 190 beast today. It's the only chance I've had to come out really. It's been raining for, I don't know, but I know we've had 7 inches of rain in like 3 weeks. Obviously, I can tell everywhere's flooded. I was just riding my bike about and I thought I'd just give you a quick rundown of the situation. So I've come out, there's another tree down there. Everywhere's waterlogged. I've been on the fields, that they're just as slidey as hell. Although, I'm going to go out there and practice some sliding control in a minute. I'm just really having a look through the wood at all the damage. But yeah, hopefully you're going to stick around for the rest of the video and see what's going on. But this is the only chance I've had to get this 190 out for ages. And it's probably the worst possible weather to ride it in, other than snow. Let's get to it. See if I can get, oh, I don't like going under stuff like that. What if that falls on me? What if that does fall on you? Fucked. Ah. Get some of this out of the way. Do you know what? That is going to come in well. I'll get the chainsaw up. Hopefully we'll be able to drag this out and make it into a bit of an obstacle. It's a good log. I have to go under here like this. Quick, 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 quick. This is not going to be a very fast ride. Let's see if I can get up straight up there. Yes. Oh, look, there's water everywhere. 7 inches of rain. It's quite a lot. Whoa. It can still be fun. Oh, look, what the? What just happened there? Bloody nearly flicked me off. Alright, calm down. Shit, my back end's going to sink into there quick. It's going to bounce. Oh my god. This was a bad idea. Oh my god, this was a bad idea. Look at that. Sugar. My leg. Nearly out of it now anyway. God, it's all about swamping. Whoa, he's nearly throwing me off. It's got its own mind today. We got a chicken route, which I might end up going up, depends on the bike. Or we got the man route, where you've actually got to go over 2 routes. We might be going the back downhill route, the backwards route. Need a bit more of a run up, I think. Goggles are up. I mean business. Oh. I'm gonna try and hook a curveball. Trying to turn. Oh! Bollocks. I'm going. I am not the kind of person to give up that easy. I'll take any route now. Route will do. Put my goggles down. Oh yes. Right. Come back this way. Brilliant. Don't know why I tried that in this weather. Perfect. Whoa. Fuck, that was fucking lucky. Shit. Oh my god. That's what's happened. I thought I was a goner. I can't even pull it up. That'll do, I'm out. Bloody hell. ground is very wet. So on that note, I think I'm going to call it a day today. Right, what can I say? Well, I come out and I thought this is going to be rubbish. And in the end, I've really enjoyed myself. I absolutely enjoyed struggling like hell in the wood and getting stuck and slipping everywhere, and the bike having its own mind. It's quite good, actually. It's good because you're on that sort of edge, and that's what biking's about. That's how you get the adrenaline going. And then I come out into the field and I couldn't really get much speed up because of how wet it was, and the bike with its own mind. I didn't want to get flicked off on my own and injured in the middle of nowhere. So I practiced going slideways, just did a few donuts and slipping and a sliding, and it was all fun. Gonna wrap this up. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate your support. I hope you enjoyed it, and we shall see you in the next one. MOTO Machines out.